My name is Y Chandanaganna. Today my topic name is Introduction to String Manipulation Functions. String manipulation functions are looks that allow us to perform various operations on string. These functions are excused for working with text data in programming languages. They help our modulation, stretch, and extract information from strings efficiently. Con- Connections is the process on combining two or more strings into a single string. It is a achieved using the plus operator in most programming languages. Contradictions is useful when to join multiple strings or add variables to strings. Length. The length function reduces the number of characters in a string. It helps us determine the size of a strings and perform operators objects on its slides. The signs for the length function variable across programming languages. Substring expressions allow use to extract a pointer of a string based on its processing. We display the strings starting and ending points to observation the distance subjecting. This function is helpful when we need to expressions statements information from a large string. Case conversion function conducted the case of the characters in a striking. They allow use to charge a chain string to uppers or lower class need. Some programming languages provide functions like coppers, case, and stringing function helps used fund changing or subjecting with when a strings. These functions reduce the positioning or index of the function found time. We can stretch for but both stringings and sequences are characters. Replacing function immediate used to subjects on state of chains with characters. another in a string. We can replace string characters, subjects, or points. These functions are useful for text implementations and data classing tags. Splitting functions develop their strengths into multiple subjecting bits on a developments. Develop, developmental. Millimeter can be charges, characters, words, or points. The resulting subjects are often studied stores in a array or list for further processing. Formatting functions help use manipulate the operators appeals of stud. They allow use to insert variables, control the display patience, and align text. These functions are commonly used to create formatting output or generate reports. Conclusion: string manufacturing functions are essential for working with, with text data in program. They enable us to perform and various operations such as convert function, extraction, can grade and search. Understanding and utilizing these functions efficiently can greatly enhance our programming skills. Refrigeration.
అయిపోయింది రే మచ్చా రా మచ్చా చాలా కష్టపడినారా థ్యాంక్స్ రా